So I want to say that I'm doing this video on hopes to gain my last 100 subscribers to help me reach 1K. So if you're here and you want to support a smaller content creator like myself, help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to gain subscribers and keep them locked and loaded. So without further ado, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Okay, so yes, it's 2023. The first thing you want to do is get ready to start that channel. That is your first step. Create a cute channel name. Give it a good name that describes you. And you know, you want to make things that are going to attract people. You're going to want to create like channel art. You're going to want to do a cute profile picture, a banner. These are all things that are going to give off that first impression to your subscribers to keep them around. Make sure you're, editing your about me section. Make sure that, you're attracting people with, keeping everything up to date, whether it's your description box, your channel art, your profile pic, your banner, just letting people know what it is that you actually do here on your channel. So another thing is to do some planning. Some planning means like plan what type of videos you're gonna film, when you're gonna film these videos, also like coming up with good schedules for when your videos are going to come out and things like that. You can also post about how many times you're actually going to post a week. You also, want to show people like that, you have this planned out for this day or that day, or you can just put up what you want to put up, but make sure that you're posting and you're planning your content out thoroughly. I'll definitely have to say that watching others is a great way to start your YouTube channel and to gain subscribers and keep them around. Definitely, like, watching others is a great way to keep the foundation building of who you know and getting to know a little bit of everybody and getting that support. So of course, there's no way to start a YouTube channel without watching others. There's no way that you can just like start a channel and think that you're gonna go from here to there. You have to start from the ground up. You have to watch other people, support people, support people, support people. I just definitely think that it's very impossible to start a channel and think that you're gonna like get subscribers and not get anywhere without actually building with other people. So let's talk about the growth. In order to grow on YouTube, you don't want to do this for the money. It's just, don't do it for the money. It's not even all about the money. Definitely realize that, sometimes the growth just means filming, editing, putting out, connecting with people, and branching with people. And that's just that. So another good thing is to stay consistent. Stay consistent with, how many times you post a week. So definitely try to post 2 to 3 times a week. If you can't, you don't want to go MIA. You don't want to post, oh, this week, and then go MIA for a whole month. They're not going to want to stick around, and they're going to want to take their subscriptions away. And they're going to want to say, I don't want to watch this anymore. He's not being consistent. They're not being consistent. So unless you have a valid reason like school or family issues, or if you're just lazy, YouTube ain't for you. There's nothing wrong with being yourself. Being yourself just means that, people are watching you. So, people can detect when you're not being yourself. People can detect, when you're just not keeping it real. And it is what it is. I'm keeping it real. Can't be any realer than this. All right, let's talk about promoting in social media. Promoting in social media go hand in hand. Definitely promote your channel, or no one else will watch it. Nobody will find it unless you promote it. So like sending it to individual people in their inboxes, they can open it up and look at it, and they can click on it. A lot of people are nosy. They're gonna wanna click on it, so send it to them and they'll click on it, and it goes from there. A lot of people look at it and read it and keep it moving. It really just depends on, depends. Definitely another tip for promoting in like social media is to put it on every platform. Even if it is once a week, put it on a platform, put it out there, let people see it, and they'll promote it. Point blank, period. Okay, let's talk about accepting feedback, y'all, because sometimes the feedback ain't cutting. So, you know, like at first I didn't know how to accept it, right? So, you know, like I thought that every little thing that someone said through comments and stuff was rude. But you know, you got people that come on your channel and they only notice the one negative thing, or they notice one thing that they want to say in your comments. It's just like, it's a whole video. Did you watch? I mean, I had someone comment to me on a short saying that I should have cleaned the floors first. Well, you know what? If you had paid attention in this short, there was no floor there. So I took it as rude, and then I just was like, you know what? Delete. I'm not fooling with it. You guys can, you know, tend to feed into it if you want to, but person like me, I'm an Aquarius, and I will tell you how it is, and then I'm gonna keep it moving. But I decided not to, because it's all a part of being professional. It's something different if you come on someone's channel and you say, you know, you can improve by bringing more lighting into the bathroom, bringing more scenery into your videos. It's stuff like that. That's not rude. That's just being real. Let's talk about keeping in contact, y'all, because don't be shy. Give subscribers a heads up. Like if you need a break, give them a heads up. We all have community tabs because they might unsubscribe. You know, you definitely want to keep them engaged and let them know what's going on with you. You don't have to give them your full life story, but just give them a quick glimpse. Talking about group videos, doing collabs, they do really great. It also helps to bring different people to your channel. It helps to bring different people into your videos. A lot of people love to see people bringing their family into the vlogs, and they love to see just people bring in, you know, friends, family, co-workers, all of that into the video and getting to know them. So definitely group videos, collabs, and things like that are gonna do a really great job on your channel, because everybody is watching their video and then coming over to yours. And if there's more than one person you're collabing with, they're gonna go through them all. Oh my gosh, not only in relationships, communication is key. Communication is key because you want to thank your subscribers. You want to, you know, let them know that you are serious. You're thankful, that you are appreciative. And so, you know, be active on your channel, whether it's through comments. And yes, I know I have a problem with it. I can't have a day to sit down and respond back to comments, but I do at least 2 or 3 a day, and try to, you know, catch up all at one time. But just definitely let them know that you're alive and that things are okay. Posting consistently lets people know that you're, you know, real about it, that you're serious about it. Yes, YouTube can be like a second job, second or third job. At the end of the day, you do what you love to do, and if you love making videos, then you love making videos. If you like making videos and putting them out, then you make that video and you put them out. The more serious that you are about your channel, the more subscribers are going to come, they're going to stick, they're going to stay around, and they're going to see that you're serious about your YouTube journey. Hopping on the trends. Y'all, hopping on trends can definitely bring subscribers, viewers, all of that. So, you know, sometimes it's, you know, it's hot to drop on the wave and, you know, set a trend, and it definitely, you know, could get you subscribers. So I would say, you know, film a couple videos of things that are trending currently, and, you know, stash them to the side. What subscribers want to see. So if a subscriber wants a video, accept a video request. Let them have the opportunity to request what kind of video they want from you next, and that just lets you know that they are really watching your channel and they're appreciative of the content that you're putting out, but they also want to see something that's in their honor, in their request. So, you know, don't be putting anything out on your channel that people don't want to watch. If you're putting out 20-30 minute videos and you don't see too many views, that means people don't really want to watch, especially if you're a smaller channel and you're putting out vlogs that are 20-30 minutes. Cut them down a little bit, just giving you guys a tip. But definitely post on a poll on Instagram, or you can post it on your community tab to see what your subscribers really want from you by asking, you know, what kind of videos do you guys want me to create, and make them. Let's talk about keeping it professional, y'all.
Whatever you do, sis, keep it cute, sis.
So of course, people leave negative comments on your channel and you definitely want to go crazy on them. The thing of it is you're a professional. At the end of the day, you still have a, I'm trying to think of the word, y'all. You still have a reputation to represent here on YouTube, and what your channel represents is what's gonna basically fall behind you. But these negative comments, if people can't say nothing nice, don't say nothing at all. And guess what? There's nothing wrong with ignoring these comments, deleting these comments, blocking these comments, and yeah, y'all don't want the last one. Your thumbnails need to be popping. They are going to need to attract people to your channel. If you don't have a thumbnail that is making someone want to come over and watch, then they're not clicking on it. They're scrolling on. So therefore, create thumbnails that are going to attract people to your channel. Y'all, another thing I need to say is don't try too hard. People can see on camera if you're trying too hard to be something that you're not. They also can see that you're just not yourself. So just don't do it. All right, but last but not least, let's talk about some of the equipment and apps that I use. So with your equipment and apps, you're gonna need a phone, a ring light, a camera, a tripod, things like that. I'm currently using both. I'm currently using the iPhone XR, and then I also am using this camera that is here because I don't actually have it in my hand. I know it's a Canon and it is 1080, yes, y'all, something like that. Anyways, but cheapo camera off of Amazon works just fine. And you know, there are some other things that can come along with it. Some of the things that I edit my videos with is like iMovie, Canva. Canva is, you know, how I edit my thumbnails. iMovie is how I edit my videos, and then I send it over to my computer, put my intro and outro together, and boom. And then of course I have TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy, my referral code is in the description box down below. TubeBuddy is great. It's something that you use in order to like check your analytics, as far as also making sure like that, you know, you got great thumbnail, you have a great set of tags, you are arranging them in order. So use that code down in my description box down below to get your TubeBuddy going, and yeah, get that channel checked. So I also use YouTube Studio, and that is clearly to help me understand my subscriber count, like who's really watching, whether it's a bunch of males, whether it's a bunch of females, whether it's people ages this, that. And then of course to also upload the videos onto YouTube. And so, you know, like if you're new to YouTube, I would consider just sticking at the iPhones or whatever phone first. When you start to get up, that's when I would go and buy that high-tech camera that you probably want and probably need to make great videos. So I also use Wondershare Filmora 11 to edit my videos, and it is really great, but I just recently started using that about 3 or 4 months ago. So therefore, I'm still learning, but it's definitely a great app to use. So that's tips and tricks for growing your channel. Thank you so much for 894 subscribers thus far. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing and hitting the subscribe button down below. And I hope that you all leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts, and also to hear what you have to say. So I hope that you all have a great evening.